In this video we take a look at the garter stitch. Stay with me and I'll show you how. I've cast on with 10 stitches and we're going to knit across this row. To knit we come in behind the stitch and come through from front to back. Wrap our yarn around the needle, pull it through and pull off that last stitch. Carry on knitting across the row. Now we've finished our first row, which is the front side of our work. We come to our second row, which will be the back side. In knitting, every odd number row will be the front side and every even row will be the back side of the work. For row 2, we make another row of knit stitches. Now our second row is done, we turn back to the front side of our work and we make another row of knit stitches. Carry on making rows of knit stitches until you reach your desired length. Now we've done a few rows, we can see our pattern begin to form. Here it is from the front and the back. You can see the front and the back is the same. You have these ridges that go horizontally and it gives us a bit of stretch vertically. And to clear up any confusion why, since we only use knit stitches, this isn't just called a knit stitch. The knit stitch refers to the individual stitches and the garter stitch refers to the overall pattern. And that's how to do the garter stitch.